Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Gives Creativity. So today we are going to learn how to talk about various speech habits. So let us begin our session number 26. So today's my first word is laconicity, meaning great economy in speech. Then my next word is laconism, meaning pithiness or economy of expression. Then my next word is laconicness, meaning quality of conciseness and economy in the use of words. So laconism has the same meaning. So all these four words almost equal. Then my next word is eloquence, meaning great artistic expressiveness. So here loquor means to speak and e means prefix e means out. Then my next word is eloquent, meaning expressive, economic, expressive, emotionally moving. Then my next word is magniloquence, meaning elegance in word uses. So grandiloquence has the same meaning. So here magniloquent is the adjective of magniloquence and grandiloquent is the adjective of grandiloquence. So here suffix ent is the adjective suffix and enc is the noun suffix. So magnus meaning big, grandis meaning grand. Clear? Chalo. Then my next word is verbosity, meaning wordiness. Then how we construct this verbosity? We have used here verbo meaning word and suffix ity is the noun suffix. Then my next word is volubility, meaning fluency, age, and an or rapidity of speech. So here volutus meaning to roll. Example, word effortlessly roll off the voluble speaker's tongue. Then my next word is garrulity. So meaning incessant chatter with little meaning. So garrulity meaning to chatter. Then my next word is cogency, meaning persuasiveness through logic. So here kogo meaning to drive together, compel, force. So kogo is nothing but the verb. Then my next word is magnanimous. So here animus meaning mind, magnus meaning big. So magnanimous becomes big heart rate. I'm sorry, big heart rate, generous, forgiving. Big hearted, generous, forgiving. Clear? Then my next word is magnet, meaning important person, as in the commercial word. Big will, influential person. Then my next word is magnum opus, meaning masterpiece, great artistic work. So here opus meaning work. Then my next word is verbatim. So this is adjective as well as adverb, meaning word to word. So here verbum is nothing but word. Then my next word is verbal, meaning oral rather than written. So this is actually adjective because of suffix al is the adjective suffix. Then my next word is verbalize, meaning to put into word. Then my next word is verbiage, meaning wordiness, style or manner of using words, type of words. Then my next word is revolve, meaning turn around and round, meaning turn round and round. Then my next word is revolution. This is actually noun, meaning a rolling round or radical change or political upheaval. Then my next word is revolutionary. So this is actually adjective of revolution, meaning causing or resulting from radical change or new and totally different. Then my next word is evolve, meaning to unfold or gradually develop. Then noun form of evolve is evolution, meaning meaning a gradual unfolding or development. Example, a rolling out. Then my last word is evolutionary. This is actually adjective of evolution, meaning resulting or developing gradually from something. So I hope all these words has been clear to you. So with this I will end up my video. Please like to my videos and subscribe to my channel. Till then you take care and bye.